Welcome to Chaka International. I am Nilamadujana speaking. This is related to Ssc Scientific Assistant of IMD, that is Electronics and Telecommunication. Here the choke coil. Find it inductance is proportional to n square. N square means number of turn. Accordingly it happens. Conductor, the formula is there. That is conductivity is equal to Q N mu. Mu is the mobility. N is the number of n is equal to 5.8 into 2028 and Q the charge of electron. So it is coming on 0.00537. Then binary decimal, that is base is 2. First to start from 2 to 0, 2 to 1, 2 to 2, 2 to 3, 2 to 4. Whatever the mentioned number is there, you have to multiply and add it. Here the octal to decimal base is 8. Same what happened? 8 into 0, 8 into 1, 8 into 2. Accordingly you do it. Here one, yes, that is a circuit is there. There is a not. A means not means A not, A dash. Then an AND circuit there. A dash, one input is A dash, another is B. So it is AND means multiplication A dash B. Similarly, a second AND gate, it is the B not and A, that also A B dash, and this is the last one is the OR gate. Last one is the OR gate. So this is the output, this is the OR gate. This is the output. Output A dash B plus A B dash. Boolean algebra formatter. Find the resolution of 10-bit digital to analog converter whose full scale output 10 volt. Resolution is nothing, full scale output by 2 to n minus 1, where n is 10 and voltage is 10. Modulus number frequency of input clock signal divided by output frequency. Input is 512 kilohertz, output is 400 kilohertz, it is 128. Here the maximum peak to peak voltage is 20 millivolt. Minimum peak to peak voltage is 6 millivolt. So modulation index is equal to Vmax minus Vmin divided by Vmax minus Vmin divided by Vmax plus Vmin. So it is around 7 by 13. The carrier wave is 400 watts subject to 100% modulation means 0.1. 1. 80% 0.8. 40% 0.4 like this. Find the sideband power and power. Sideband power nothing, half m square into Pc. Em is equal to 1, Pc is equal to 400. 200 is 200 both sideband. Lower sideband 100, upper sideband 100. And power is the sideband power plus the carrier wave power. 400 plus 200, 600 watt. The audio signal 200 kilohertz modulus by 400 kilohertz. And determine the sideband and bandwidth. Sideband nothing, 400 plus upper side of 400 plus 2, 402 kilohertz, of lower side of 400 minus 2, 398 kilohertz, bandwidth nothing, 4 upper minus lower is equal to 4 kilohertz. Here the formula is there. Here you have to find R2. What to find? R2 is equal to VB means R2. R2 is equal to VCC R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So VB is coming. VB is equal to 0.7. Automatically you get IB. Then IB is a GB is 0.7. V is equal to VB minus VE 2 by 1.3 volt. So this is 1.3 volt. Here I is RE 0.5 to 2.6 milliamp. IC is equal to equivalent, not IC is 2.6 milliamp. BC is equal to VC minus IC RC, that is 6.8 volt. Darlington pair not an input resistance, it is multiplied beta B1 B2. Here the bias is the fixed bias means positive bias, forward bias, reverse bias. Forward bias generally magnetic carrier current flow, reverse bias magnetic current flow. According to the conduction of that, your output power will come. If diode is conductive, the positive will come. When diode not conductive, negative. Here diode is conductive in negative half cycle, so negative will come. Varactor diode junction capacitor varies with the amount of reverse bias voltage. Capacitor's parameter controlled by method of doping, sideband and geometry of the diode construction. Here the energy gap is more in case of insulator, then semiconductor, no gap in case of conductor because overlap. This transistor is a forward, again the trivalent impurity means increase the number of holes. The aluminum, boron, gallium, pentavalent impurity means increase the number of electron, arsenic, phosphorus, antimony. This is the barrier potential. According depends upon the biasing. Positive bias, barrier potential less, negative bias, barrier potential more. Atoms within the semiconductor crystal held together by covalent bond. Forward bias second natural majority, reverse bias magnetic carrier, bipolar PN, three types of two junctions there, one PN junction, one the NP junction. That is called the emitter base junction and base collector junction. Beta DC IC by IB, that is called HAP also. Here the one problem is there. Here also 2 volt, V is 7, so IB is equal to 2.7 by 5 kilo ohm. That is, it is coming around 0.26 milliampere. IC is equal to beta IB. I is equal to IC plus IB. So BC is equal to BC minus RC. So it is coming 7.4 volt. Again, this is a point at which the actual base current intersect the load line is called the quiescent point. Normal operation B junction forward biased and base collector junction reverse biased. Coupling capacitor are connected in series with AC signal to bring it to outer amplifier. Bypass capacitor are connected in parallel resistor to provide the AC path. So here we put the one junction and field effect transistor divided junction and insulated MOSFET. Insulated get field effect transistor. Here according to the N channel. The drain, the N channel, the P channel. This is the characteristic of, and here the white of the channel responds to a conduction current. The more is the reverse bias, the channel size reduces, the current is reduces. See, accordingly, at the zero, maximum current is there. When the current reverse bias is there, according current is reduced. Metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor MOSFET differs from JFT, no PN junction structure. Gate of MOSFET is insulated from the channel by very thin silicon dioxide layer. Here the one D MOSFET is there, one D MOSFET, another E MOSFET. But here we given is a D MOSFET P channel source, D MOSFET N channel. D MOSFET P channel, D MOSFET N channel. That is enhancement mode. Here also one P substrate. You see the here enhancement, no channel in case of E MOSFET, in case of D MOSFET, as a channel is there. And the transistor that is closed channel unless a voltage applied, that is called E MOSFET. The formula is ID is equal to KVS divided by VGT. T means threshold, after which the conduction current is into that square. Determine this is a De Morgan theorem, is important. A plus B dash is equal to A dash into B dash, AB dash is equal to A dash plus B dash. Modulation factor ES by EC 50, 100 and 416. Electronic circuit that generates square wave The rectangular short wave is known as multivibrator. A stable multivibrator alternates automatically between two states. Monostable is one state multivibrator. Bistable both states are stable. Bistable require application of external pulse for triggering. Digital modulation, the process of amplitude, frequency and phase of the analog carrier signal as a function of two or more than two finite discrete states. Amplitude shift key, amplitude of carrier signal is varied in proportion to digital information signal. Similarly, frequency varies, phase varies, phase angle varies with respect to digital information signal. Bit rate of change of binary data, and baud rate, the rate of change of signal element. Symbol rate, the number of successive bits are combined to form symbol. Symbol rate is equal to bit rate by n. Here one problem is that is based on Thevenin's. You have to calculate what is the current flowing in a 5 ohm resistor. First, we make the two loop is there. Thevenin means you have to make it open circuit. So we have to calculate what is the Thevenin's voltage. According loop and loop 2, the Thevenin voltage is coming around 35 volt. And the equivalent resistance, what is the equivalent resistance? Because these two will be short circuited. This will short circuit for calculation resistor. So 10 into 10 parallel, let's say 5. Here also V at 5 ohm is there. This is the 5 is the equivalent resistor. The 5 are the resistor at the resistor across we want to know the current. To voltage at Thevenin voltage 35. So Thevenin current is coming. The current is across 5 ampere is 3. Across 5 resistor 5 ohm is equal to 3.5 ampere. Here that is the operational amplifier, and here one thing voltage across the 5 ohm k ohm. Here the potential across the X is this is ideal. X is equal to V in. This is a V in. So what happened? This is V in minus 0. V in minus 0 is equal to divided by 5. The current is flowing. This current flowing to here. So how it will V out minus V in divided by 20. Accordingly, V out by V in is coming 6. Input signal plus 5 minus 5. It is 10. So peak of the power output voltage 10 into 6. Gain is the 6. Because V in V out is equal to V in. V in is equal to V voltage gain plus V in. V in is equal to all lateral 5 plus 5 minus 5 10 into 6 60 volt. The way this the presentation complete. If you like it, subscribe, put the bell icon. Thank you.